Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how you can get more cash money for the township mode with the mode APK township plus plus. As you can see right here, I've got the modded version of the township and I can get a lot of money, a lot of cash with this mode. So I will show you how this mode works, and later I will close it, I will uninstall it, and I will download it again to show you the whole process of downloading this Township plus plus mode APK, which is working on any Android or iOS devices. So right now let me start the game. I will show you how it works. So as you can see, all the packages of cash, of money, are totally free. So I already have a lot of bucks, a lot of money, as you can see right here. And to add more, all I need to do is to click on any of those packages. Let's say I will click right there, and as you can see, my money increased. So let's add more. I can keep clicking to get more and more bucks for township game. Maybe right here, so I can keep clicking to get more and more bucks. So that is how the mod works. As you can see right here, I've got a lot of bucks already. So this is the Township plus plus mode APK, as you can see right here. So I will now close it and I will uninstall it from my device. Okay, and to download you need to go to this page, tweak valley. This is the page, go there and find here the township mode. Click on the game icon and select your platform, Android or iOS. I have an iPhone, so I will pick iOS, but if you have an Android device, don't worry, it is also working for any Android devices. If you have Android, click Android. I have an iPhone, so I will click iOS, and the downloading process will start for me this way. Okay, so downloading process is almost done. And now installation progress. It is installing it on my device, the Township mode, and it's done. So let's check it. It is very easy to download this mode. As you can see, I've got the Township plus plus mode installed on my device again. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video tutorial about how to get more bucks, more money for Township. Thanks and bye.